Once upon a time, a clever engineer named Willis Carrier lived in a city where the scorching heat of summer made life difficult for people. Willis observed that people were uncomfortable in the summer heat and could not work efficiently in their workplaces. He wanted to find a solution to this situation. One day, Willis noticed that the printing machines of a factory were not working properly due to the hot weather. To solve this problem, he decided to design a device that could control the air temperature and humidity. As a result of long research and studies, Willis came up with the idea of establishing a system that would cool the air and reduce its humidity. Willis designed a machine using the principle of cooling air through water evaporation. This machine cooled and dehumidified the air by passing it through cold water pipes. In the first tests, he saw that the factory environment actually cooled down and the machines worked more efficiently. This success encouraged Willis Carrier, and in 1902, he invented the world's first modern air conditioner. Willis's invention quickly attracted great attention and began to spread. It began to be used especially in large buildings, movie theaters, and offices. People began to enjoy working and spending time in a cool and comfortable environment. Willis Carrier's air conditioner increased the quality of life and allowed people to work and live comfortably on hot summer days. Carrier's invention laid the foundation for modern air conditioners that are still used today and made him a legend. Willis Carrier went down in history as an inventor who changed the lives of millions of people on this path he set out on with the dream of creating a cool breeze.